The top 5 careers of millionaires. We've all wondered at some point, what do millionaires do for a living? Well, we asked a whopping 10,000 of them. Yep, you heard that right. We dove deep into their backgrounds, and you know what? We unearthed some pretty intriguing insights. So, let's get the ball rolling on this reveal of the top 5 career fields that millionaires most often find themselves in. 1. Engineer. First up, and perhaps not surprisingly, is the world of engineering. Engineers are problem solvers by nature, and let's face it, who doesn't need a good problem solver in their life? They design and create everything from bridges to software, and their knack for innovation often leads them to hefty paychecks. It's a career that combines logical thinking with creativity, and clearly, it's paying off for many. If you're good with numbers and have a penchant for puzzles, this could be your golden ticket. With the rapid advancement in technology and infrastructure, the demand for skilled engineers continues to rise, making it a promising and financially rewarding career choice. 2. Accountant or CPA. Next on the list, accountants. Now, you might be thinking, really? But hear us out. Accountants and CPAs are the financial wizards who keep everything running smoothly. They're the folks who can turn a messy pile of receipts into a coherent financial plan. And let's be honest, every company needs someone who can manage the books. This steady and reliable career path offers a clear route to financial success. The precision and analytical skills required in accounting often translate into lucrative opportunities, as businesses of all sizes rely on financial experts to guide their fiscal strategies and ensure compliance with regulations. 3. Teacher. Coming in third are teachers. Yes, those patient, inspiring individuals who shaped our formative years. While teaching isn't typically associated with high earnings, the truth is, many millionaires started out in this noble profession. It's a career that requires a love for learning and a passion for sharing knowledge. Plus, teachers often possess the skills to manage people and projects, skills that are invaluable in any field. Many educators leverage their expertise to move into administrative roles or launch educational initiatives, creating opportunities for substantial financial growth while making a difference in the lives of others. 4. Management. Now, let's talk about management. Those in management roles are the linchpins of organizations. They're the ones making strategic decisions and steering the ship. It's a career that demands leadership, vision, and a knack for bringing out the best in people. If you're someone who thrives on challenges and enjoys leading teams, this could be your sweet spot. Successful managers often ascend to executive positions or become entrepreneurs, capitalizing on their leadership abilities to generate impressive wealth and influence within their industries. 5. Attorney. Finally, we have attorneys. These legal eagles are known for their analytical minds and persuasive communication skills. Whether they're defending a client in court or drafting complex contracts, attorneys are essential in a world governed by laws. It's a career that requires dedication and a love for the intricacies of the law. And yes, it can also be quite lucrative. Many attorneys specialize in high-stakes areas such as corporate law or intellectual property, where their expertise commands significant financial rewards and positions them as key players in the business world. So, there you have it, the top 5 career fields of millionaires. Noticeably absent from the top 5 is the medical doctor profession, which came in at number 6. Interesting, right? It just goes to show that wealth can be found in many unexpected places. You might be wondering, what about other fields? Well, we've just scratched the surface. But if you're looking for a career path that could potentially lead to wealth, these options are a solid starting point. And remember, it's not just about choosing the right career, it's about dedication, passion, and sometimes a little bit of luck. So, whether you're an aspiring engineer, a budding accountant, or dreaming of managing your own company, take heart. The path to becoming a millionaire might just be more attainable than you think. After all, if 10,000 people can do it, why not you? With the right mindset and perseverance, the possibilities are endless, and you could be well on your way to joining the ranks of millionaires around the world.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.